Hello everyone, this is Shalini. Hope you're doing great. In this video, I'm going to share some tried and tested review on IKEA products that I've bought lately. So I was searching for some adhesive based product because I try to avoid nailing and drilling in my walls and tile. So I found these products to be really sturdy and really useful. I'll share that in the video going ahead. Additionally, I also bought few other products which I found very useful. However, I could have taken care of dimensions before buying them. I know that IKEA has online presence in Mumbai, Bangalore and Pune. However, you can also find these IKEA products from Amazon. So without further ado, let's get started into the review. Let me know in the comment section if any of these products you wanted to buy, and if you find this video useful, then please hit a like. So the first thing that I bought is this transparent box. It costed me rupees 199 only. This is a transparent box which helps me to have a view of things inside the box from all the angles. It is very easy to slide in the cupboard. I have used this as cupboard organization. You can also use this in your pantry organization. So the next item that I bought is this self-adhesive hook. These were 4 hooks for rupees 69 only. You can use these hooks to hand lightweight items. It comes with a sticker at its back. I'll show you how the sticker works. So this is how you can remove the sticker. It's very easy to install. I'm just pasting it behind one of my door, and it's as simple as that, and it's quite sturdy. On the packet it was written that you can hang any weight till 0.5 kg only. I'm using this to hang my mask. I have hidden this hook behind my gate. When I come from outside, I hang my mask here behind my door. So what happens that this way I avoid keeping it at anywhere else, and it is hidden behind the door so that no one. Next item that I bought is this S-loop for rupees 39. I got 5 in this packet. I use this to hang wet utensils above my sink. This helps drain excess water quickly, and I can keep them inside my drawers whenever they are dry. I have tested this using very heavy utensil like tawa, and it holds really nice. This is a really nice purchase, I think. The next thing that I bought is this adhesive washroom corner. I bought this for rupees 399 only, and it was very easy to install and holds using suction, which is quite strong, I would say. It has holes at its bottom so that water drips off easily, keeping all my stuff kept here dry. I found this quite sturdy. I have been using this since last month, and I keep all my daily stuff which I think are quite heavy. Now next thing that I bought is this self-adhesive battery operated light for 169 per piece. You can press it to switch it off and switch on. You can remove this like this anti-clockwise and refill batteries into this. I use this to light my corner kitchen, and it looks so beautiful. It is very convenient to stick. It also comes with magnet behind. Now I bought these 10 battery specially for this light. It costed me rupees 149 for 10 pieces. Now you have to take care of the fact that these light uses battery a lot. So you can use them at places where you need not to keep this on for a very long period, such as under kitchen shelf when you have to highlight few things, or inside cupboard, so that you can save on battery. Moving on the light section, I also bought these bulb of 0.5 watt. I bought this just for rupees 49. Honestly, I thought I'll just check how safe is the fragile delivery, and thank God it came in one piece. However, one thing to note here which I was not aware, that this bulb is not something I can use because of its socket. Looks like this is non-usable for me as of now because I don't have such socket at my. Next thing I bought are these clips. There are so many clips for just rupees 69, and these are so useful in zipping all open pockets which you would not want to store in boxes. This came in 3 colors, and good thing is that all of them are of same size, which is large. The quality of this product is very awesome, especially at this price, I would say. You can use this to clip items like Maggi packets. Next thing I bought is cushion covers, and these I really fell in love. I was searching for cushion covers in 65 by 65 size, which is very rare to find in the market. I couldn't find my choice of covers in this size in hometown or in home center or on online platforms. I got this for rupees 499 each. It has two prints. The floral one gives me homely vibe, whereas I use strips as background of my work calls while working from home. It has light quilting strips all over both sides. I like this peachy floral color which goes very well with my grey sofa while breaking the monotony of formal look. I would say this is such a nice buy from IKEA, and this is really worth it. Next are these cute spoons. I got these 4 spoons for rupees 19 only. Oh my god, can't believe it. And the quality is also superb. These pastel colors I'm really liking a lot. The next thing I bought is this shelf organizer. I bought this for rupees 249. Though I've used this in my kitchen shelf, however, before buying I would suggest that you check the dimension of things that you want to keep on this shelf. I wanted to keep these 6 glasses, however, due to the smaller width, I am using it only to keep 3 glasses at the back, and I utilize the rest of this shelf by keeping these small cups here. I am also thinking to buy another shelf which I think will give me cover for the entire width of my cupboard, and I can utilize this below portion to keep my glass items. The last item that I bought are these scented potpourri leaves. It came just for rupees 59. This is in sweet natural fragrance, which is really awesome for closed spaces like cupboards. So yeah, that's it on my IKEA product review. Let me know in the comment section which of these products you find the most useful. Do subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Till then, bye bye.